Hey guys, this is how to fix FPS drops while gaming in your Windows 10 or 11. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on your search icon and then search here for regedit. And once you find this, right click on it, click on run as administrator. So here simply click on the H key current user folder. Just expand this folder here and now click on the system, expand this option as well. So right here in the system, click on the game config store, and here at the right side of this interface you can see a lot of the options. You have to simply click on the game DVR enabled option. Right click on this option here, click on the modify. So alright, this pop-up will open for you. Here in the value data you have to just backspace one time and put here the value 0. Once you done, click OK. So now moving to our second step. In this step you just need to close all of these folders that we have expanded. So right after that, now click on the H key local machine, expand this option, and then here just click on the software, expand this folder as well. Now click on the Microsoft folder, expand it. So in this folder you will find a lot of the options, but you have to just scroll all the way down in the P section, and here just click on the policy manager, expand this folder as well, and in this folder just click on the second option which is named as default, expand this default folder as well. And now you have to just scroll all the way down in order to find the application management folder. So once you find this application management folder, expand this folder and then now click on allow game DVR. Just click on it, and at the right side of this page you can see a lot of the options. You have to simply click on the value option, which is the last one. Right click on it, click on the modify. So this type of the windows pop-up will open. You have to just turn this value data to 0 and now click OK. So that's all. You have to just close this window. Now restart your system or Windows one time, and right after that your problem of FPS dropping while gaming error will be fixed 100%. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.